Today we are making Miso Salmon bowl with fluffy quinoa and oven roasted veggies. Ingredients are in the description, so let's go. Let's start with the marinade. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of miso paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, teaspoon of chili flakes, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 cloves of grated garlic, 1-inch piece of grated ginger. Give everything a good mix. Take half of that marinade and coat your salmon fillets generously. Marinate for at least an hour. Add 1 cup of quinoa to a rice cooker with half teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of water. Keep it in the rice cooker, let it do its thing. Next, slice up a zucchini and carrot into small slices. Toss them with the remaining half of that miso marinade. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the marinated veggies out on a sheet tray in a single layer. Then place the salmon right on top of them. Bake for 15 minutes and then switch to broil for 2 to 3 minutes. Assemble everything in a bowl. Finish it off with cilantro and a drizzle of chili oil. You're good to go. Take care. See you next time.